Welcome to the SR5000 User Guide. Before starting, please prepare the tools and operate in a safe environment. SR5000 is compatible with various residential solar systems. Together, the system stabilizes the power and cut down the electricity cost. Installation environment requirements. 1. Clean, dry, and well ventilated. Avoid direct sunlight, rain, or snow. 2. Keep away from flammable, explosive, or corrosive materials and strong electromagnetic fields. If used near children, close supervision is required. 3. Operating temperature -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 0% to 95%. Device unboxing and basic installation. Open the package. Remove protective foam and the accessory box. Check the packing list and take out the main unit. Place the device on a pre-planned, flat surface, ensuring it is stable and level. Leave a 150 mm space between the device back and the wall for heat dissipation and safe isolation. Electrical box wiring and setup. The SR5000 can be paired with either the VOLTDEER meter RS02 or VOLTDEER meter RC01 meter reader. Choose the correct model for your meter type. VOLTDEER meter RS02 installation process. Turn off the main circuit breaker. Connect the LoRa and Wi-Fi. Connect the communication cable to the COM or P1 port on the right side of the meter reader. Attach the meter reader to the electricity box. Insert the communication cable into the P1 port on the electricity box. Turn on the main breaker and close the electricity box. VOLTDEER meter RC01 installation process. Turn off the main circuit breaker. Install the reader's antenna. Connect the CTs to the reader. Wire the power supply to the reader's VA and N terminals. The reader is now ready. Adjust the clips and mount the VOLTDEER meter RC01 reader inside the meter box. Connect VA to the incoming live wire and N to the incoming neutral. Clip the CT around the incoming live wire. Ensure its arrow points in the direction of the current flow. Turn on the main breaker and close the electricity box. Device on grid cable and PV connection. Connect the grid cable to the grid port on SR5000 and twist the connector to lock it. Press the power button to turn on the unit. The battery indicator will light up, confirming a successful start. Plug the SR5000 into a grounded standard household outlet. For solar panel connection, wire the positive and negative leads to the corresponding terminals on either the PV1 or PV2 inputs. SR5000 supports 2 sets of PV panels. App download and device pairing. Scan the QR code in the manual or search Ember Rock in your App Store to download the app. When using the app for the first time, the user needs to register an account before logging in. If the user already has an account, enter the account and password to log in. The app supports multiple languages, including simplified Chinese, German, English, French, Dutch, and Italian to meet the needs of international users. After entering the app, click plus to enter the page for adding a scene. Complete the scenario details, default type, home energy storage. Then save to finish. After entering the scene interface, click the plus button in the upper right corner to enter the interface for adding a device. Click the loaded serial number or scan the SN code of the Wi-Fi module. The user can also manually input the serial number. Select or enter the Wi-Fi name and password to connect to the network, and click Next to enter the next page. Then wait patiently for successful network configuration. The smart electricity meter and the device must be in the same local area network. The device and meter reader must all be added to the device list. Enter homepage. Users can select either the Smart Green Power Plan or a custom mode. The Smart Green Power Plan uses default system parameters. Once enabled, it creates a daily household electricity schedule by analyzing electricity rates and weather data. This achieves charging when prices are low and discharging when prices are high, maximizing both energy savings and economic efficiency. With the Smart Green Power Plan, users can enable zero feeder in to prevent reverse power flow, enable L regulation, and the system will automatically create a tailored charging and discharging strategy based on local grid conditions. It aims to buy low and sell high, maximizing the use of solar power and enhancing economic returns. In custom mode, users can configure multiple non-overlapping time slots. For each slot, set it to either charge or feed-in mode, and then define the corresponding charge or feed-in power. This mode is disabled by default and must be manually enabled to take effect.